स्टडी फटाफट के इस मजेदार एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर ए मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू स्टूडेंट्स हैव कम टू दिस वीडियो आफ्टर रीडिंग द थंबनेल. Yes, there is no mistake with the thumbnail. I am urging each one of you to fall in love, especially this examination season, particularly students of class 10 and 12 who are set to give their board examinations in another 2 to 3 months from now. Now you must be wondering, the section's name is Study Fatafat. The channel's name is Study with Sudhir. Why am I talking about falling in love? Isn't that a distraction? Yes, it would be, except for the fact that, and I strongly believe, love is the most beautiful emotion in this entire world. It makes you do things for the person you love in order to make that person happy, pleased, and feel good with life, right? Like Shah Rukh Khan, the king of romance in Bollywood, sang, "Tujhe dekha to ye jana sanam, प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम." Isn't that true? Or my friends from Tamil Nadu who may prefer to sing a Tamil song instead, right? என் காதலே என் காதலே என்ன என்ன செய்ய போகிறாய். Okay, enough of songs. Gana bajana both ho gaya. Let me come to the point. Now, the question that I'm asking is, who should be your sweetheart? Big question, right? You need to find the right person. And I am telling you, you should be your sweetheart. Yes, you are the person I want each one of you to fall in love with. And why wouldn't you? If you think you are good enough, you are a good enough investment to fall in love with, each one of you, each one of us should fall in love with oneself, because you spend the maximum amount of time with yourself on planet Earth. No one knows you better, your inner emotions, your inner feelings, what you think, what you feel better than you. So why shouldn't you fall in love with yourself and ensure that you are the best version of yourself in order to ensure that you are worth falling in love with? Make your love succeed, and this is the most important mantra. I want you to do everything possible in order to ensure that you actually succeed. If your target is a 95% in your board examination, go out of your way to ensure that your love, that is you, are able to achieve that target. Why shouldn't you? कुछ भी करो, अगले 3 महीने जान लगा दो for your love, for the person you love the most, in order to ensure that your love succeeds. If your target is to kind of represent your school in the cricket team, or to do well as a painter or as a sculptor, do everything that you can in order to do that thing for the person you love, that is you. Make your love succeed, because what can be more fulfilling than making your love really the best person in the world? Isn't that true? Your love is your future. Isn't that true? Because you are going to spend the maximum amount of time with the person you love, that is you. So your love is your future. So make your future bright. Make your future count. Make your future the best in the world. Your love is your future. So you need to do everything in order to make your love succeed. Be positive. At no stage feel that what I'm doing is not enough. If you think it's not enough, shift gears, do something more, but do everything to stay positive, that I am in love with myself. I am going to do everything in order to make myself succeed. That has to be your mantra. So do go out and fall in love with yourself. This is not a Valentine's Day video. I want each one of you to fall in love with yourself in order to ensure, because when you fall in love with yourself, you will think that I also need to be the best person because I am falling in love with this person, that is myself. Do the right things, stay positive, do good to others, and ensure that you are the best version of yourself. I do hope that you will heed to whatever I've said in this short video and go out and fall in love with yourself. Thank you very much for watching. God bless each one of you.